What happened?
आज कूळ मुणकार बिल पास जालें.
Yes.
सो तेजेर कूळ मुणकार बिल पास आसलें आयज असेंब्लीन हें आसलो सो पास जालें. कितें जालें
कशा तरेन फायदो जातलो सर?
आनी कितें फायदो जातलो?
Regarding what bill?
कूळ मुणकार आयज बील आहलें तुमचें न्हू.
It was yesterday, I think. It was passed yesterday.
पूण
Yeah.
आयज तेजेर चर्चा आसली.
No, but church eyes नासली. Eyes the church नासली because of that this thing it was on Kazan land.
Kazan land.
Yeah. So that was not a bill. That was actually a resolution which was brought up. So it will actually it will help because I think Viresh also had asked for basically for this thing to have a what do you call that?
Agree.
No. To have this thing. What's that?
But is it possible to revive Khazan agriculture in Khazan land?
No, see now what is the Kazan land is basically important is what when Kazan is both it helps as far as the fish also is concerned and as far as the agriculture also is concerned. So in both ways it helps. So the thing is what the part of it when it's time for agriculture that these people basically many of this committees they break the ban and then they allow all the water basically to go in and then you cannot have agriculture.
So is it easy to revive, sir, agriculture in Khazan?
Definitely it is possible actually.
It is possible.
So we will look into it.
Minister, it is fair to have such a late session.
Sorry?
It is fair to have such a late session.
Late
It is,
session.
it is good. No, we are all working for you all. So you see that we are working so late.
Thank you.
I am working for you, and we are working for.